Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today is the 1st of October 2019. Today I want to make a video for you and tell you what I think Bitcoin is going to do, and also I want to tell you why I think the alt season has already begun. At least for a real decent bounce. Now, will it roll over after this bounce? That is to be determined, but I think there's a lot of gains to be made here in this altcoin market at the moment and for the next couple of months. So, okay, I'll start out here by saying last month I made a video and I called a stealth altcoin bottom. And if you watch this video, a lot of people missed this video for some reason. It didn't do very well. It didn't gain any traction at all. Maybe I forgot to promote it, or maybe I forgot to whatever, do the YouTube stuff, put in the right tags and all that sort of stuff. Maybe I just forgot to promote it. But it done terrible. But a lot of people missed out because it called the altcoin market within 1 to 2 days. It called the bottom in the altcoin market for within 1 to 2 days. It was absolutely flawless, guys. 28th of August. Go back and check any altcoins and around that date, and you will see that it was flawless. I could pick any random one here now. You're probably going to think well, there's the 9th of August. Look, 28th of August. That was pretty close. That hasn't even bounced yet though. But you can see the end of August here, the very end of August. We closed on the lows down here, the very end of August, which was the lows there on WePower. But anyway, I didn't really intend to do this. 2nd of September, you can see the 2nd of September there on a weekly chart. So again, this is on the lows. So what I'm getting at here, guys, is it was a flawless call and calling the bottom in the altcoin market. Now, what I'm going to tell you right now is that I think this altcoin market has a lot more room to run, and I want to explain why. And you know, it's very important, guys. There's a lot of money to be made here in these altcoins, and I think they have a stealth bottom at the moment, and it's going to ramp up slowly. You know, a bit like Bitcoin did from the 3,000 bottom, and it ramped up slowly and caught a lot of people off guard. And before they knew it, it exploded higher, and a lot of people were left behind. So I don't want you to be left behind. I want everybody to catch this move. Last thing here, so this XRP video here is my last video, and I recommend watching it, guys, if anybody hasn't watched it, because it goes into depth, into detail of why I believe XRP has just started its bull market, and at least a real good bull trend. So don't miss out on that, guys. It's worth a watch. Okay, here we go. This is why I think the altcoin market has bottomed for the near term. Now, if you look at these two, this is Bitcoin on the left and Binance coin on the right. That's the USD pair of the Binance coin. And you can see two very similar moves. Two moves that broke down, Bitcoin broke down from the descending triangle that we all know very well. And BNB broke down from its descending triangle we all know very well. What I want to show you here, and a lot of people don't know this, and a lot of people don't talk about this, and you know, I don't think you'll see this on crypto Twitter or anywhere else. I've not seen it anywhere. But I've noticed it for months now, and I've made other. It's been in other videos and stuff. If you look here, where did BNB break out of on the break above the white 200? Sorry, the white 100 moving average. That's when the bull market started in Binance coin. And you can see, if you look over at the Bitcoin chart there on the left hand side, you can see where the line is. Look where the line is. BNB was a leading indicator on the breakout of Bitcoin. It led it by weeks. You can see there, price broke out 24th of February, and that was the 25th of January. So it's at least 2 to 3 weeks, a leading indicator. Guys, Bitcoin, Binance coin already broke out of its bottoming pattern. Now again, if you look here, we had a descending triangle on Binance Coin. I haven't drawn it in there because I've got stuff on this chart that I want to show you as well. But I can actually just draw it here if you, just to give you a bit of a heads up here. There was a descending triangle there, just like Bitcoin had as well. It mightn't have been formed the same, exact similar, or as perfect detail, but it was definitely a descending triangle. Now, you can see here when it broke out. When did it break out, guys? It broke out 2 weeks in advance. You can see here that was the 29th of August and 23rd of September. So 3 weeks again. So you can see here again it was leading Bitcoin. The breakdown, it broke down 3 weeks before Bitcoin broke down. So that's very important to note. It broke up here 3 weeks before Bitcoin. It broke down 3 weeks before Bitcoin as well. It's a leading indicator of Bitcoin, guys. Very, very important. So with that in mind, BNB should bottom before Bitcoin. When BNB bottoms out, you should look for a bottom in Bitcoin. Now, I don't believe that has happened yet, and I believe it will go down into about the 786 level, which is about minimum the 12,000 or $12 level, and potential of falling down into the $8-9 level. In my opinion, it is possible. We cannot rule that out. So if that is correct, it looks like Bitcoin will follow, and we will fall down to the $5,000 level, which again is a 78% retrace, just like BNB. So that is on the cards, guys. You can see the similar moving average structure. When it breaks down, it consolidates for a long time, and then it breaks down again. So we're in that consolidation phase at the moment. On top of that, you can see the rounding pattern almost identical on the RSI. Beautiful. Like it's, guys, you can't fault this. It's unbelievable. Like, I mean, it broke out the same, it topped the same, it had the same pattern, same structure, moving average structure, same rollover. Guys, it's identical. BNB is leading Bitcoin, and it's no coincidence, guys. Binance are manipulating the market to a certain extent, and I don't care about manipulation. I quite enjoy it, actually, because once you understand it, you can trade with it. It doesn't bother me if they print Tether to the moon. I'm happy. It doesn't bother me. But if you understand it, guys, that Binance Coin, I mean, the whole American situation, where the changeover from normal Binance to Binance USA, a lot of people stopped trading, and there was a bit of a transition period there, and that was somewhere up here in the descending triangle on Bitcoin, and that had people selling out of Binance Coin maybe a bit early, as it topped, and this in turn, you can see here, BNB even topped out before Bitcoin topped out. If you look at the left hand side of the screen, you can see here BNB even topped out here just before Bitcoin. It's a leading indicator, guys. But again, a lot of people not trading, and Binance losing their maybe effect on the market, and different things. Maybe it had an effect on Bitcoin as well, and caused Bitcoin to lose its strength and roll over. Anyway, with this video has already ran on, guys. I'm probably just going to have to make another video on the altcoin market, which is probably a better idea, because this is 10 minutes here. So that is part one video of the video, guys, of why we are going into an alt season here right now, and we'll just call that part one, because I have a lot to talk about here, and the video will be way too long. You can see here a lot of these coins, have decent monthly candles here. RVN, here's RVN here. TRX, good monthly candles. Now there will be pullbacks here. Don't worry about that. So we're in no rush here. There will be good entries. You can see WPR. LRC. Let me just get a monthly chart for you. You know, there's just some signs here, and these are only very, very brief signs. You know, a bit of pullback here would be good, but good monthly candles, guys, for a start. You know, monthly engulfing candles. Now, they don't always have to play out, of course. It's just a good sign to start off with. So, I mean, you can see here, Ripple has barely had two monthly candles, two green candles in a row. You can see it had one here, red, one here, red, one here, red, one here. That might as well be red because it pierced the highs, and that was the very top on a stop hunt, and then it failed. And now we have a green again. Can we get two green in a row? Even a red candle here, guys, is not even that bad. So don't sweat. In the time being, this consolidation period is pretty good. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll make part 2 of why we are in alt season and why it is starting, and you need to be prepared, guys. Over the next couple of months, this market is going to really heat up, and these alts are going to start mooning. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to join us in our trading room, we're in there every single day with lots of very intelligent traders and investors in there, and we're in there every single day trying to make a killing in this market. So if you'd like to join us in there, please hit us up in the description below and go to the website and sign up for the 3-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.